Hey everyone, it's Val here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be well, we have Charlie here. I don't know if you can see him. But it's going to be a part 2 of, what did I title it? Finding out my dog's breed. So last week you saw part 1 where I was preparing the test for him, swabbing his mouth, and I can give you a little bit of background about Charlie. So today's video we're going to be finding out what he is. Now, I'll be honest with you, I already saw the results. The results came when my mom and my auntie were in town, and I thought it would be cool to look at the results while they were here, only because my mom, like I said, if it weren't for her, we wouldn't have Charlie. So I had already seen the results, but I'm going to share those results with all of you, and I will be sharing my screen, or recording my screen, and having like that in the video. Let's see, let me go back, let me get the results open. So, I am going to start recording my screen. Okay, so, like I said, I'm going to share these results with all of you. So, I'm looking at my wisdom panel, and we're going to look at his results. So, I am currently looking, and we are on the ancestry page. So I will have that ancestry page, like I said. I'll have the screen recording all right here. It'll be either on this side or on this side, either one. And we're going to first go over his ancestry, and it said we detected 12 breeds in Charlie's DNA. So 12 breeds. Essentially my puppy's a mega mutt. A mega mutt is what I said. My puppy is a mega mutt. So his top 5 breeds are 29% miniature schnauzer, which, or you know what, actually let's rewind. Rewind, okay. So the breeds that we thought Charlie was, were, now let me go to my photos. I'm going to have to cut some of this out from the screen recording, but I am currently showing you now the breeds that I thought he was. And so the first one was Jack Russell mix, a Jack Russell Terrier mix, which I'm showing right now. And then this is also what I've been told from like the vet or places like dog groomer or something. These are just also breeds that they've kind of told me. So I've been told Jack Russell mix, and the middle one, I believe, this picture that I'm showing on, is the Jack Russell poodle mix, I believe. And then I've always thought he maybe could be a schnauzer, little miniature schnauzer. His sister, I'll have some videos or some pictures of his sister. Also, I'll put some pictures of his sister in here too. His sister kind of looked more like schnauzer in my opinion. Her head was more like the round bulby head compared to Charlie's head, so I kind of thought maybe schnauzer. And now that I'm looking at this picture of the miniature schnauzer, like, oh my goodness, it reminds me so much of Charlie, just the colors are a little bit different. The schnauzer that I put a picture of in here is like more on the gray white side, but like just is like his face, like the way that he's looking, it reminds me of Charlie. Charlie has like that face. Also poodle mix, so I have a poodle mix right here. I believe this is, because I thought he could maybe be like a mix of not a labradoodle, I guess poodle, yeah, miniature poodle. And then a neighbor, their parents were in town, and she's really cool. She's a veterinary technician, and she's around dogs a lot. She said that maybe he could be a West Highland Terrier mix. So those are just some of the mixes that I thought would be a possibility. Now let's go back to the breeds. So the top 5 breeds. 29% miniature schnauzers. So that's something that I had already thought before these results came in. I thought the possibility was a schnauzer. 22% toy poodle. That's another one that I thought he could be poodle. I didn't know, of course I didn't know like the genetic makeup, but now these are the answers. So 29% miniature schnauzer, 22% poodle, toy and miniature, 21% chihuahua, which that's something I didn't think he had any chihuahua in him. He gives me more like a lot more terrier like mixes, but he's got 21% chihuahua, 7%, give me 1 second, my nose was, okay, where were we? So 7% standard schnauzer, and top 5 breeds, everyone. Top 5 freaking breeds. You wanna know what the 5% is? The other 5th breed? You'd probably never guess this. I'm gonna let you guys think about it. I'm gonna give you a few seconds. The 5th breed, comment down below. What do you think it is? I'll wait. I'm gonna actually give you 10 seconds. I'm gonna count. Ready? So in these 10 seconds, write down what you think the 5th breed is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you comment down below? Did you comment down below what you thought the 5th breed was? Well, everyone, the 5th breed, a freaking German Shepherd dog. 5% German Shepherd dog. Charlie, you're 5% German Shepherd. How? Huh? 5%. 5% German Shepherd, little boy. Yep. My puppy, what I thought was just all small breeds. I guess standard Schnauzer is also not really a small breed. It's more, I think, medium size. I think. You can correct me if I'm wrong. 7% standard Schnauzer, 5% German Shepherd. Crazy, right? I think it's crazy. Okay, so we're still recording. We're going to click on more ancestry results because it does show more breeds. So we've got the Schnauzer, Chihuahua, or miniature Schnauzer, Chihuahua, standard Schnauzer. He's 2% Shih Tzu, 2% Bichon Frise, I don't know how to pronounce it. Don't come at me, I'm sorry. 2% Pekingese, 2% American Eskimo dog, 5% German Shepherd dog, and they also have it in categories of terrier, companion, herding, sporting, Asian and Oceanian, and guard dog. So you guys are seeing the results on the screen with me. He's 4% Cocker Spaniel, which is the sporting, 2% Chow Chow, and so little pause. Our old dog, his name was Coda, and he was like our baby, the whole family's baby, and he was Pomeranian Chow Chow, and we always thought that Charlie, when we got Charlie, we're like, oh my goodness, we think that he's part Coda, just because the way that he is, he reminds us of Coda. And also when Charlie first started to meet our family members, it's like he already knew them. Like he didn't need to, like he was super excited to see them. Like it's been a while since he saw them, so we thought maybe Charlie has part Coda in him. And Charlie is 2% Chow Chow, which is, it's possible. I think it's possible. And just him being 2% Chow Chow kind of think so. Maybe, that 2% could be Coda. And the 2% remembers all the family. But anyways, that's just what we thought. And then he's 2%, get this, guard dog, American Pit Bull Terrier. So that's all of his, those are all of his 12 breeds. There are 12 breeds detected in Charlie's DNA, which is crazy. And I think I said 2% American Eskimo dog, which, wow, my dog, he's got a lot of things. He is indeed a mega mutt. I love my mega mutt, and I'm so grateful that he's in my life. And I think it's so cool that you can, it's so cool that these DNA tests like exist, that you can test your dog's DNA, and I'm happy that I've gotten more insight on him, because I would always ask Coda, and I don't, I would always ask Charlie. I was like, Charlie, what are you? What are you, Charlie? What was your mom? What was your dad? And I know he can't answer, but it was just, I would always ask him, because I was always wondering what he was. So now I kind of know what he is. And also what's cool about this app is it shows a family tree, which I'm showing you again on screen. Here's what Charlie's family may have looked like. His parents, parent number 1 could have been a poodle, the toy miniature mix, Chihuahua mix, miniature schnauzer mix, standard schnauzer mix, and then the other one, the other parent could have been same thing, grandparents on one side, poodle, toy and miniature mix, Chihuahua mix. So they're kind of all very similar. And then it shows great grandparents. It shows, that's pretty much it. So, but somewhere in there he's got those other 2%, 5% breeds. But I think it's really cool. Like, it shows all this interesting information, as you were saying. So that is a wisdom panel, and I'm excited. It also shows health. It shows we didn't detect any known genetic health predispositions in Charlie's DNA, so I'm happy with that. That's something cool that this kit shows. And then it shows his traits. So let's go through his traits. I think this would be cool if we could compare kind of how I see him. So tan points, he's definitely tan. He doesn't have any black, but I think he is, brindle. Let's see. Well, he's tan. Let's just know that he's a tan dog. Okay, sorry about that. So coat patterns: piebald, saddle tan. Now let's see saddle tan. So for shedding, it shows reduced shedding, which he doesn't really shed at all. He doesn't really shed at all. What else? His weight, the weight range is 18 to 31 pounds. He's more like 18 pounds. I think the last time he was weighed, he was maybe like around 17. He could be 18 right now, though. I don't know. So he is a little on the smaller, kind of on the small side. His head shape, he does have a little bit of a short snout. You can tell that he has a snout. His eye color are definitely brown. To show his nose color. His ears, they show floppy ears, but he's got pointy ears. When he was a puppy, I actually had one of his ears that would fold, and it was so cute, and I thought it would stay like that, but they are a triangle and they stay up. They're not floppy. Show anything about his nose? He's got a pink nose. It doesn't say anything about, well, it says something about his snout. I wonder if that would show. Oh, he definitely doesn't have, let's see. His snout is, wait, where'd it go? He's kind of got the short snout variant too, but it shows that he's got the other short snout, but he's got variant 2. So, that's not right. Anyways, yeah, so, and he's got a pink nose. But that was all of Charlie's, you know, what he is, his breeds, and all that. And come here. Come here. Say hi to the camera. Want the camera? Oh, come here. Okay. That is who Charlie is. So Charlie is, he's all of those breeds. But most of all, he's my baby. So it's kind of cool now that I like know exactly what he is, because I've always been wondering. I mean, I could have gone his whole life without finding out what he was. It was kind of nice to know like what exactly he is, and that some of the things that I thought were right. But yeah, so I will see all of you next time. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my unboxing channel most of all. I've been posting more videos on there, and I plan to probably upload more videos on my unboxing channel. I will still occasionally post on this channel, which I consider my main channel. But my unboxing channel, like I said, will have more videos more often. So check that one out. Link will be down below, and I'll also have it in the card up above. I forgot what side it is. I think it's on this side, but I forgot. But yeah, so I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone.